Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Joy and my channel's name is It's Joy. Right now you could hear my baby crying in the background. It's bedtime for him. It is about 7 to 8 p.m. Oh, it's 8:30. And I wanted to install this wig because I have a New Year's Eve party to go to. And I really wanted to go for this Rihanna inspired look. I'm going to insert a picture right here as to what I'm going for. I really love like this flipped up hair moment. And I had this old wig. We dyed her and then we cut her. And this is the before of the unit. So this unit is from Unice Hair. It used to be black. I really wanted to make it go platinum, but instead it got this really warm copperish color. And as you guys know, I did have ginger hair beforehand, and I was using this Cara color depositing conditioner just to maintain my color. This was a great budget friendly way to just get rid of that color and achieve the color that I did want, which is that like very orange ginger color that Rihanna was rocking. If you do have color in your hair, I suggest finding one of these conditioners because not only is it an easy way to maintain your color, it also makes your hair really soft. And I personally love this line, and my friends have used it before and they like it too. The only thing you do have to be wary of is if you keep using the conditioner, it can start depositing a darker color. So if you want something lighter, I would not recommend this because the more you use the conditioner, the darker the color eventually gets. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's really dark, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get both like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow, I need to go and shadow, I need to go and shadow. I did end up running out of color, and thank God that my friend was dyeing her hair ginger at my house, so I just used what was remaining of her color. And now we're giving her a haircut. As you know, she did have a nice bob, so I did cut off not too much, honestly, because I think this was only like a 14-inch wig, so I only cut off, I want to say, about 2 inches of hair. And to be honest, I wish I had gone a little bit shorter. I just wasn't feeling brave in that moment.
Eyes on my neck, eyes on my lips. Many days I never sleep. Sticks, baby. Every day I'm chasing good life.
I did go in with Color Wow. This is Kim Kardashian / Ariana Grande / JLo's hairdresser's hairline, and we did have it at the school, and I personally do like the brand and I love this product. It is anti-humidity, it's a great heat protectant, and it really does tame the frizz, which is something I truly cannot stand, is just like frizz. So I highly recommend this product if you are using a lot of heat on your hair and if you do like a much sleeker finish. This blow dryer that I'm using is a blow dryer that was given to us by the school. That's the one good thing about cosmetology school, is like sometimes the kid stuff do be hitting, but the flat irons they gave us were atrocious. Like, they really were grimy. Like, y'all could have really put $100 into a flat iron. Why is my flat iron breaking every 2 seconds? Makes no sense. But I personally love the blow dryers. I really like them. I think they do a good job. I don't know the brand, so sorry.
Roller coaster, never tire. Back to sender. You wish me bad. To sender. I never come down, going higher. Johnny Sisi, load down, cash up, cash out, Onimaga, Bila.
Now we're getting into the wig application. I use a lot of my stocking caps. The ones I recommend, they're by brand by Skin, and it's SKIIN. And this brand will literally have the thinnest wig caps on earth, but of course that's not what I'm using in this video. I am using the wig caps that came with my wigs, like a couple of wigs that I had ordered, and of course I'm going in with Miss Erica J's glue, because who else? There's nothing better on the market outside of Miss Erica. I haven't seen her, I haven't found her, but I guess I haven't even been looking, because like when you find something good, why are you searching for like, you know, better? I really learned that the key to using glue is to have even layers. Go in with a popsicle stick. Don't use too much glue. Make sure your layers are very thin.
Ball out, Usain Bolt, run now, you get it, your clients, lock 'em. If you no get money, leave 'em. EFC symbol, Japa, Shoni Sisi, load up, cash up, cash out, Onimaga, Bila, small money, ball out, Usain Bolt, run now, you get it, your clients, lock 'em. If you no get money, leave 'em.
I literally can't even record because listen close. Yosai's in his crib and he's lately has been throwing a tantrum every single time he goes to sleep. So yeah. I forgot the term they use for the type of scissors, or the name of the scissors that I'm going in with. I will link them down below. I got them from Amazon, but they basically cut your lace into a zigzag pattern, which helps it be even more like undetectable when you install your lace. I would do like a beginner friendly wig tutorial, but I feel like there's so many on YouTube. If you would like to see one from me, please just comment that down below and let me know, because I would have no problem doing that. But that just was not the central focus of this video, so I just decided to speed through this.
Only everybody anyway, now we actually might go to me. Go there, one more dog see you, one other see cold tag with story. Oh my god, you're she look like with money to the telling. When you talk, you look on, Becky Global. Becky Global. She said, I'm cool of a car.
Now that the wig is installed, we are moving on to the styling portion. I went in with Nairobi foam and my Kendra's Boutique hot comb, and this just helped make sure everything was smooth and laid down and to make sure I got rid of any type of flyaways, and it helped give that like sleek finish that she had in the picture. Ooh! Guys, look at this flip. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god. I love this. Let me just fix this. This is so cute. I feel like this is really about to eat. Like, now that I'm at the styling part, I'm hyped. It's just styling the back. It's not my favorite thing.
I don't look down. If you check out, you go know say na confirma.
I do not know what this looks like right back here. It might look crazy because it looks like it's not pretty even. Bro, I should just show some of her straight hairstyles because this is kind of difficult. This is difficult. So, or should I have just used like a thinner flat iron? Yeah, let's switch over to like a more finer flat iron. By the way, I'm watching House of Ho on HBO Max. It's pretty good. Pretty chaotic. I love me some reality TV shows. My favorite reality TV shows, obviously the Housewives series. My favorites, Atlanta, Potomac, and Salt Lake City. People say to try out New Jersey, and I haven't tried that out yet, but I might later this year, you know, when I'm desperate. And I'll watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians here and there. Like, you have to watch that. And guys, my desk is such a freaking mess right now. It's chaotic. It's really chaotic.
Oya chichi, ṣọmọ Tóyìn pẹ̀lú Kiki. Yẹ́sẹ̀sà, àbọ̀mọ̀ ojì wàyí. Àlàyé sọ ní pros.
I'm liking the vibe. I think I nailed the flip. I don't know what it looks like in the back, so you guys are gonna have to tell me. 3, 2, 1. Fudge. Not me like trying to burn myself. Hold on. I'm just gonna put in some KMS Moisture Repair. I featured this oil in my last video. Ooh, who's that girl? It's me, bitch. Like, I love this. I don't know. I feel like a wife in this hair, like a 60s wife. Like, I just need that little apron, and they wear a dress, and then they come home, and their man gets a full cooked meal. But my goal would be like, I'm taking off my apron and my personal chef is presenting the family with a meal, and the kids are like, thank you, Mom. Like, I served that. Like, I'm serving this look. Hey. I ended up redoing my bangs because they looked nothing like the picture. Her bangs definitely went across her forehead. So I just took some Nairobi foam, which will help it give it a much sleeker and more polished look, as you can see. And then I just reinforced those curls just because I did sleep on them and they definitely were not there the next morning. For makeup, I tried to copy the look she had in the picture. She had a smoky eye and her complexion was very natural. So I went in, did a smoky eye, and you guys know I struggle with eyeliner, but I think I ate it up in this look. Please comment down below if you think I ate up this eyeliner look. I am a hooded eye girly, so I'm learning how to make the eyeliner stand out on my face. And you already know the complexion's gonna eat because Joy's a complexion girl. Like, that's my world. I love a very good complexion moment. If you guys do want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my makeup, please comment that down below. I would enjoy filming that. It just shows clearly, no shade nor no tea, that you guys don't enjoy my makeup videos from the views, from the comments, and the lack of likes. So I'm not to finish up the look because the makeup's done. It's looking pretty beat. We look well. I'm going to put the last of the bobby pins right up here. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think Miss Riri would be proud. I'm really proud of myself. Like, we snatched this hoe up. She's looking really good. Like, wow. We're giving lots of bob moments here. I kind of feel very auntie with the red lipstick, but it works. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like a lot of these celebrity inspired hairstyles / makeup, let me know. Let me know what celebrities you guys want to see next on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to click that subscribe button and lock me in. I'm gonna be coming all 2023 with lots of cute hairstyle looks that you guys can do at home or just watch me do and y'all, you know, appreciate. Anyway, don't forget to support. I hope that you guys have an amazing year and love you. Bye.
Nobody else concerned. Sure you go come online. And I see darkness all around me, but I know I'm the light. Shake, 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 baby, shake.